In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a zigzag line using 3 different methods. So whether you want precise control, freehand drawing, or a quick automated effect, you'll have the perfect option for your workflow. These techniques are super useful for designs, illustrations, and even technical diagrams. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple and effective tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. Let's start with the first method, using the pen tool for manual precision. Select the pen tool by pressing B on your keyboard, and in the top bar, make sure the mode is set to create regular Bezier paths. Now click once on the canvas to place your starting point. Move your cursor and click again higher up to create your first peak, then click lower to create a valley. Continue this pattern across the canvas to form your zigzag shape. Once you're done, press enter to complete the line. Now to make this look clean and consistent, switch to the node tool by pressing N. Drag to select the top row of nodes, which represent your peaks. Then open the Align and the Distribute panel using Ctrl plus Shift plus A. From here, click the Horizontal Alignment option to align all selected nodes evenly. This gives you a perfectly uniform zigzag line with consistent peaks. Next up is the Pencil tool method, which is great for quick freehand zigzags. Select the Pencil tool by pressing P. In the top toolbar, lower the smoothing value to around 10. This is important because higher smoothing will round off your sharp zigzag edges, and we want to keep those jagged angles. Now simply click and drag across the canvas to draw your zigzag in one continuous motion. Don't worry if it's not perfect. Once you finish, press N to switch to the node tool, and you can click and drag individual nodes to adjust any parts that didn't come out the way you wanted. This method is fast and flexible, especially for more organic designs. Finally, let's look at the Roughen Live Path Effect method, which is perfect if you want a procedural zigzag. Start by selecting the pen tool again with B and draw a straight horizontal line, then press Enter. Next, open the Live Path Effects panel using Ctrl plus Shift plus 7. Click the plus icon and choose Roughen from the list. In the settings, change the method to number of segments and enter 19. Then set the segment size to 0.44. For the displacement values, set the first one to 30 and the second to 0. This creates that sharp vertical zigzag effect. If you want some variation, increase the global randomized value to around 2.00. You can also click the dice icon to reshuffle the pattern until you get something you like. Once you're happy with the result, finalize the shape by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus to convert the object to a path. This removes the live effect and locks everything into editable nodes, and that's it. 3 different ways to create a zigzag line depending on your needs, whether it's precision, speed, or automation. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.